Hi, my dear students. Welcome to online classes here. Hope you all are fine and understanding the subject what I am saying here. And let us see here. I have given an assignment to you in the WhatsApp. Is it right? These assignment you have to make a note it, we have to write and submit to my personal number. Okay. And let us see here what I am saying. You please write the notes. Everything is very important. The important topics I am saying here. I am subjecting the entire unit. I am covering the entire unit also. But what I am saying, what I am giving the PPT, you have to compulsory you have to write the notes. I am going to be check the later. Let us see here. Today the new topic is there. You are going to be learn about the introduction of programming languages. Introduction of programming languages. Before telling about these programming languages, I am going to be tell you about means here. What is mean by language? What is mean by language? Okay. What is mean by language? What is mean by language here? What is mean by language here? Suppose here, suppose a person is there. Suppose the A person is there and the B person is there. They wanted to communicate each other. They wanted to communicate each other. Then what it do here? What I wanted to do between these two people? You know the language. ఈ ఏ అతనికి ఇంగ్లీష్ రావాలి బి అతనికి ఇంగ్లీష్ రావాలి if both are the same language then only we are going to be communicate each other. Is it right? Suppose if A knows the Telugu, B knows A knows the Telugu T means here Telugu, B knows the English language, B knows the English language. Is they are both are communicating each other? No, the communication cannot be taken place. That means here why it cannot be taken place here? Because there are both are in the different languages. Both are in the different languages. Let us see here. This A B B is also going to be know here Telugu. That means here both are communicating each other or not? Yes, both are communicating each other. That means here what is mean by language? Say with me here. What is mean by language here? The language is used to communicate between the two persons or a group or anything. It is used to the language which is used to communicate between the two people. If the English means here, the two people must know the English. If it is Telugu means here, the two people must know the Telugu. That means here, it is used to communicate between the two persons. Two persons. That is the use of here language. That is the use of here language. Suppose if I write here Telugu language. Suppose if I write here Telugu language means here both persons are using the Telugu language. Is it right? Suppose if I am writing here, suppose if I am writing here English, if I am writing here English language, that means here the two person must know the English language or not. Two person must be talking to English language, right or not? That means here if it is Telugu language means here two persons are talking in a Telugu language. If English language means here two person is must be talking with a English language. And let us see means here if I am writing here Hindi Hindi language, that means here what is the meaning of that here? What is the meaning of that here? ఆ మీనింగ్ ఏంటి మీరు చెప్పాలి చెప్పండి. Two persons are communicating with Hindi. Two persons are communicating with Hindi or not? That is the use of here. That is the use of, if it is Telugu language means here two persons are communicating with Telugu. If it is English language means here, if it is English language means here two persons are communicating with the English. If it is Hindi language means here two persons are communicating with Hindi language. Let us see here. These two persons are the brains. That means here this is A person and this is here B person. This is A person and that is here B person. And this is also A person and B person. That means here నేను మనుషులతో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. That means I am talking with a persons. But if I wanted to talk with a thing, if I wanted to talk with a, suppose A is a person. Suppose A is a person. I am talking with a person. The person wanted to talk with computer. The person wanted to talk with computer. Person wanted to talk with computer. That means here person wanted to interact with the computer. See here A is interacting with B. With what language here? Telugu language. A is interacting with A is interacting with B. With what language here? English. That means I am going to be called as here English language. A is interacting with B with a language is known as here H. That means here Hindi language. That means we are going to be call it as here Hindi language. That means here A అనే అతను B తో మాట్లాడాలి అంటే అతనికి ఇద్దరికి తెలుగు వచ్చి ఉండాలి. దాన్ని అప్పుడు ఏమంటాం? తెలుగు లాంగ్వేజ్ అంటాం. ఏ అతను బీతో మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు ఇంగ్లీష్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారు. దాన్ని ఏం లాంగ్వేజ్ అంటాం? ఇంగ్లీష్ లాంగ్వేజ్ అంటాం. ఏ అనే అతను బీతో మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు ఒక లాంగ్వేజ్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. అది హిందీ లాంగ్వేజ్. దాన్ని ఏమని అంటాం? హిందీ లాంగ్వేజ్ అంటాం. కానీ ఇతను ఒక పర్సనే, ఇతను ఒక పర్సనే. బోత్ ఆర్ పర్సన్స్. దట్ మీన్స్ హియర్ ద బోత్ పర్సన్స్ ఆర్ ఇంటరాక్టింగ్ విత్ ఎ లాంగ్వేజ్, తెలుగు లాంగ్వేజ్, then it is known as here Telugu language. The both person are interacting with the language English, then it is known as here English language. The both persons are interacting with the Hindi, then it is known as here Hindi language. And come to the point here, very very important here. Person and computer, these two are interacting with a language. These two are interacting with a language. The person having a brain, but the computer cannot have a brain. That means here whatever we are saying it going to be do. A have a brain and the B have a brain. I am talking with the two brains. I am talking with the two brains. That means here this is a person, this is a computer. రెండు ఒక కంప్యూటర్కి ఒక మనిషితో మాట్లాడాలి అంటే ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు టాక్ టు సపోజ్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు టాక్ టు ఏ మొబైల్. I am a person. The mobile is a person? No. But I wanted to talk to a mobile. How it possible here? With the help of language. With the help of language. But what language we are using here? With the help of a language. What language here? What language here? A person is writing a program to a computer. A person is writing a program to a computer. Then it is known as here programming language. Then it is known as here, see here, A is a person, B is a person talking each other with a T. That means here Telugu language. Then it is known as here Telugu language. A is a person and B is a person talking with in English, communicating with the English. Then it is known as here English language. And A is a person and B is a person talking with Hindi. Then it is known as here Hindi language. Then it is known as here Hindi language. That means here the language which is used to communicate between the two people. Communicate between the two people. Okay, all of you. And next here, here the person is there, here the computer is there. ఒక పర్సన్తో ఒక కంప్యూటర్తో మాట్లాడాలి అంటే ఒక లాంగ్వేజ్ ఉండాలి. వాట్ లాంగ్వేజ్ we are going to be have here? P. P means here programming language. Programming language, that is we are going to be learn it now. The topic is here Programming language. Are you understanding what I am saying here? It is a programming language. That means here, what is mean by T? What is mean by B? T లో ఏముంటాయి? తెలుగు లెటర్స్. Telugu letters. T means here, Telugu means what we have here, Telugu letters will be there. E means here, what we have here, English letters. That means here, A, comma, B, comma, all these things we have here. Okay. So on we have. Hindi means here, Hindi letters we have. Hindi letters we have. Then programming means what we have here. What programming languages means what we have here. నేను చెప్పింది మీకు అర్థమైతే ఓన్గా రాయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి ఎగ్జామ్లో. ఓకే, ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? Programming languages means we have what we have in that languages here. We have here instructions or rules. Instructions are rules. We can also call it as here rules. Is it clear? ఇప్పుడు తెలుగు మీన్స్ హియర్ తెలుగు లెటర్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఇంగ్లీష్ అంటే ఇంగ్లీష్ లెటర్స్ ఉంటాయి. హిందీ అంటే హిందీ లెటర్స్ ఉంటాయి. అదే ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ అంటే ఏముంటాయి అక్కడ? ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్. ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ మీన్స్ హియర్ రూల్స్. ఇన్స్ట్రక్షన్స్ మీన్స్ హియర్ రూల్స్. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ? హిందీ మీన్స్ హియర్ హిందీ లెటర్స్. అందులో ఏబీసీలు రాస్తామా హిందీ లాంగ్వేజ్లో? నో, వీ కాంట్ రైట్. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే, what is mean by programming languages means here, programming means here they have a rules. They have a rules. To talk to a system, we are following the rules. Is it clear? And with the help of rules, we are interacting with the computer and me. ఒక బ్రెయిన్ లేని దాంతో ఒక కంప్యూటర్తో మాట్లాడాలి అంటే మనకు ఒక లాంగ్వేజ్ రావాలి. ఆ లాంగ్వేజ్ని మనం ఏమంటామంటే ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్. దట్ లాంగ్వేజ్ we are going to be call it as here programming language. That language we are going to be call it as here programming language. It's clear all of you? The language which is used to interact between the two persons. Two persons are a group or anything, but it is used to communicate between the, see here, I am talking, you are listening, that is also a communication, right? But how I am talking here? With the help of language. Is it clear? With the help of language. I am using English, I am using Telugu, but how we are getting this, how we are accessing this language here? మీకు ఎలా అర్థమవుతుంది? మీకు తెలుగు తెలుసు, ఇంగ్లీష్ తెలుసు కాబట్టి మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. ఇజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? కానీ సిస్టమ్కి తెలియాలి అంటే ఇంగ్లీష్, తెలుగు, హిందీ దానికి తెలియదు. ఏం తెలుస్తుంది దానికి? ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ language. Is it clear all of you? The system is going to be understanding a language. That language we are going to be learn. That language is known as here programming language. That language is known as here programming language. Thank you one and all. It's very clearly, easily I am mentioning here. If you don't understanding, repeat once again, listen once again, see the video. Okay, what I am saying here, first understanding. Okay, the language which is used to communicate between the two persons. The language which is used to communicate between the two persons. And here, suppose I wanted to talk to a system means we are going to be talk with the help of programs. విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ ఒక కంప్యూటర్తో మాట్లాడాలి అంటే ఒక లాంగ్వేజ్ని యూజ్ చేయాలి. ఒక లాంగ్వేజ్ ఎలాంటి లాంగ్వేజ్ అది? ప్రోగ్రామ్ ద్వారా రాసే లాంగ్వేజ్. ఆ ప్రోగ్రాంలో ఏముంటాయి? సెట్ ఆఫ్ రూల్స్. సెట్ ఆఫ్ రూల్స్. ఓకే ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్.